internet. So today I have an unboxing video for you, and I don't know if you noticed that the setting is a little bit different, but I've moved to actually a different area to start filming these videos. I've moved up into my filming room, which is the room that I usually do my sit down, talk to the camera videos, because this room didn't actually have a desk or anything, so I brought in a desk. I just figured it'd be a lot easier if I could try and film with some artificial lights instead of using natural lights. So everything you see here right now is using artificial lighting. I'm not a big fan of all the shadowing that's coming across, but I think it's gonna take me a little bit more time to tweak things around. So yeah, hopefully it's not too distracting and you enjoy the video anyways. But getting onto the video, I have a unboxing video from Simply Gilded. I just noticed that my nails match this box, so I'm extra happy today. And I think this is the April box. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the April one, because the March one came, I guess the March one must have come really late, because I remember only unboxing it a couple weeks ago and kind of noting that it felt like it was very late. So looking forward to this one. I love the theme, very pink inspired. It's so cute. And I'm not sure if this was in the box or not, but in the package, the pen kind of popped out. So I suspect it was supposed to be in it, but every time I get these are never like completely sealed up. They're always kind of like open. So I just assumed that it must have fallen out. So it is a, just take the nib off. All right. I have a feeling it's a gel pen. It looks like a gel pen, but I will try it out. It looks so beautiful. All right, so let's just get straight into the unboxing. I'm just gonna, I'll just take everything out. It's probably gonna be a lot easier. There we go. Okay, so we have a card. So so this month's theme is Paper and Crane, April's box. We'll put that aside. And I guess we'll go slightly backwards, I guess. So we have the, is this 2 sets of stickers? Oh, it is. Okay, that's unusual because I feel like I usually only get 1. And this month is 2 because it now has a ton more labels, some check boxes. That's really cool. All right, awesome. So you get 2 sets of stickers now, and you get a cardstock. You get the traditional notepad, which I'm pretty sure this is dot grid, but I will open it up just to double check. By the way, thanks to everyone who gave me recommendations on places I can get for covers. I'm gonna look through all your recommendations and try and find something that will suit my needs. Oh no, it's blank. That's actually a nice change because all the ones I have so far are all dot gridded. So it's nice to have a blank one. I could probably do some sketches in this. Oh, that's really cute. And then we have a massive post-it note. Yeah, I love this foiled post-it notes. I don't think I have any post-it notes that are foiled. This is like everything foiled. I love it. Rose gold especially. Looks so nice. Then we have the washi tape, which I'll open last. And I think this is like a little pouch. What does the instructions say? It's like a little, oh no, it just says a little print pouch. I'm amazed at how everything is just so well synced, and I don't know. I like how everything is just so well themed together. Oh wow, it's actually really useful, and the zip's really easy to use as well. I know it seems like a really basic pouch, and quite honestly, if I was like in the shops and I saw this, I wouldn't necessarily go for it, but they just, ooh, there's a little bit of fluff in there. It's just so useful, like things like this. You could store a lot of stuff, so I'm not really sure what I'll use it for yet, but I definitely know it will come in handy. And I know this might sound strange, but I love the squishiness of some of these pouches. Like I have one that I use for travel makeup, and I love it just because I don't know why the squishiness. I feel like I can just fit more things in it. I just feel like it's more functional if it's squishy, so that's cool. Okay, time for washi tape. I'm gonna open these up. Okay, so I'm back, and these are the 4 washies for this month. They're all foiled, except this is gold foiled. The rest are rose gold foiled, and I really love it. I mean, you guys know I love how they're stacked. I just love the stack. So you've got your quintessential bows, you've got a crane, you've got some inspirational words here, and then some floral. So yeah, it's where every single month I just feel like all her kits are just so well synced, they're so well themed, and I just love them. So yeah. So that's pretty much everything in today's kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, actually, no, one more thing. I almost forgot. I'm supposed to test out this pen. All right, I'm gonna zoom you guys in really quickly. There we go. Okay. Okay, just make sure it's twisted. Yeah, it is definitely a gel, and it writes really well. Wow, it is so smooth. I love it. I might actually start using this for a little bit. It is on the thicker side. This reminds me of maybe like a 0.5 or a 0.7 millimeter tip. Definitely not as fine tip as I would usually like, but it is such a beautiful pen and it actually feels pretty comfortable. I think maybe after a while, if you're writing a lot of notes, it might start to feel a little uncomfortable just because it doesn't have like a rubber grip and it's all metal. So that might weigh you down after a while, but it is beautiful and it writes really well. And ink is dried. So that's everything in April's kit. I hope you guys enjoyed the paper and crayon kit from Simply Gilded. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.